Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the core pattern and hand placement so you can play cleanly. Put your right hand thumb on middle C and your left hand on a C octave. That gives you the song's backbone. Once done, set a metronome to 90 to 110 BPM and play the repeating 5-note shape, C, Eb, F, G, B, B, slowly to internalize timing. Practice that loop with even tempo. This creates the pulse you will build the riff and harmony on. Now you layer the riff and supporting chords. With your right hand, play the recognizable Megalovania motif in steady 8th notes, stressing the 1st and 4th note of each group so it sings forward. Simultaneously, have your left hand switch between a C minor power chord and a BB-based chord every 2 bars to create that rock pulse. Once comfortable, introduce short staccato attacks on syncopated beats and small dynamic swells to mimic the original's punch. Focus on coordination slowly, then increase speed. To finish, run the full arrangement. Riff in the right hand, power chords in the left, and the syncopated accents layered in. Make sure to record a take so you can hear timing glitches and balance. Listening back reveals muddy chords or rushed phrases. Once done, refine dynamics and tighten transitions between phrases. If things go wrong, stop and isolate the offending bar, slow it to half speed and repeat until consistent. Then gradually restore tempo while keeping hands aligned and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.